Emily Coué, the famous French psychologist, once said, when your desires and your imagination are in conflict, your imagination always wins. And there was a very simple example given. If you place a wooden plank on the floor and if you have to walk on it, you would walk without a question. But if that same wooden plank was kept, between two five-story building and then you are asked to walk on that plank, then your desire to walk on that plank would be counteracted by the fear of falling or the picture of falling down. So your desire to walk on the wooden plank is replaced by the picture of falling down. So imagination is your most powerful faculty. So always imagine what is lovely, always imagine what you want from life, and you are what you imagine yourself to be. As you go to bed at night, practice this simple technique. Repeat the word health, 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 quietly, easily, and feelingly. And when you open your eyes in the morning, say to yourself, I choose happiness today. I choose peace of mind today. I choose success today. I choose right action today. I choose, love and goodwill for all today, and feel good about it. So I hope you found the video useful. Yes, then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. This is RajivKumarLuv, your friend, your personal coach and guide. I will be back with yet another video because I love making videos for you. So see you again in my next video. Until then, bye.